Hi guys, welcome back to my Pornhub.
Hi guys! Welcome! Andito po
Hello.
kami ngayon sa Chaggy, kung saan...
Iniiwasan namin ang ex-rate.
Okay, take 2.
Chris, uy, yours! Wait lang. Dito nga ako sa'yo. Hindi talaga.
kayo kita.
Hindi, akin na yan. Yan.
Ano pag-usapan natin?
Kung nakikita niyo po sa camera, busy-busy yung isa dyan makipag-away sa jowa niya.
So, I found out that he was cheating on me. And I was like, what the fuck? And I said, I'm done. Okay? You shut your mouth or else I will fucking kill you. And I was
Natakot ba siya
like,
doon?
hindi niya pa ako nahuli.
What do you mean?
Gago ka nga!
I-release natin
This is a very confidential fund.
Nagulantang ba kayo sa mga nangyayari?
I would really wanna know, like, what the fuck did you mean by hindi pa niya nalalaman? Like, flashback.
Ang dami, hindi siya makaisip. Ang dami pinalit.
I don't know. I'm so bitch.
Oh my God!
Na-expose ako. And I love it. I'm like, I want to break up with you.
What?
Okay, I'm done with this shit. And he was like, what do you mean? What do you mean? And I was like, you know what you did, girl. So just leave. And he was like, no, I'm so sorry. I love you so much. And I was like, I love you more.
Namatay ako, bakla. Hindi ko kinaya yun. Ang bilis. Walang pakipot.
What happened next?
What happened next after that confrontation was I kissed him.
There's no hope for women.
Yeah, no hope because that is my. I'm so sorry, guys. This is what I want.
Save her.
Okay, I want
Save her.
every man who cheats on their girlfriend with me, so that I can cheat on you too, bitch. Challenge me.
Her,
Ano ang thought process?
yung goals mo tama Pinag-ihiganti
Exactly.
mo sila. Pero yung way mo,
Exactly. Forgive and revenge. Ano ang thought process? Hindi kailangan pag-isipan ko eh.
Reflex na lang. Parang,
Like muscle memory.
anong brand nung dog food ni Komi yung pinapapak mo?
Actually, it's cutest cats tuna. Only 139 pesos per kid. Nag-advertise.
may ads pala to.
Diba? Parang may
Sponsor
Sponsor,
us. Please, cuties. If you hear this, if you watch
And
this,
to all the girlies out there,
sponsor
just
me.
DM me so that
Kung-
I can fuck up your man.
Parang pwede mo pala ito gawing business, no?
Subscription.
Kunyari, may bibigay nila sa'yo yung jowa nilang nag-cheat. May contract. For
Yes.
like, jowain mo nga to for 6 months. For like, I don't know, 10,000.
Or like, pwede kang gumawa ng seminar, ganun. Or,
Oh.
nag,
That's what we want. That's what
mag-online
all
class.
women want.
Right.
And girl power. Let's fuck them up.
Yes.
That's what we want.
Gupitin ng itlo. Hindi.
Kagaya nito, like, fuck them.
Oh, literal?
How?
Oh my god, I'm not into orgy.
Fuck them all.
Fuck them all, literally. Like, literally,
Ang dami nun.
fuck you guys.
Pila lang, ganun.
But, to my man who choked,
Kasi tapos na eh. Tapos na eh, di ba? Shit. Past tense niya ay, chot. He choked on you.
And you chose him back.
yeah,
What are your plans on choting with him?
yeah. Actually, I'm very good at shooting because I'm still on it. And
in the process.
yeah, it's in the process. And as of now, I have 4 different boyfriends.
4?
4. The 5th one is right there.
Yung nagbebeta sa overpass?
Exactly.
May overpass sa labas.
Exactly. They're everywhere.
Ang dami?
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Kaluluwa.
Yung mga espiritu na lang dito.
Andyan lang sila. Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Gagawin tayo.
That's life.
Your last message for the girlies and for the choters.
Yeah, for all the women like me who get cheated on and who chotes back. Ituloy nyo lang yan. Because, why not? No, because yes.
Right?
No, because yes.
No, because yeah.
Period.
Right.
Yed.
Right.
Period.
Wait lang. Anong tawag sa ganyang movement?
Ang movement na to ay gano'n.
Body movement.
At dahil dyan may 5 kang titek.
Thank you.
Gano'n.
Ngayon lang ako naka-encounter ng ganyang klaseng movement and philosophy that
Amen.
I think ito na yung bagong parang new generation of ni Plato at ni Socrates. Like if he chote on you, chote back.
Yes. Shoot everyone back.
Right?
If they did that on you, don't just cry. Cry now and choke back. Okay? Choke later.
Kasi pag inano ka, anuin mo din.
Pag inano ka, anuhin mo din pabalik. Mag-anuhan kayo.
Para hindi lang
Choke.
kayo maano, di ba? Siya din maano mo din.
Hindi ka kasi, kunyari, pag naano ka, di ba dapat ang anuhin mo rin?
Dapat mag-aanuhan lagi. Kasi hindi tayo maging healthy.
Hindi ka naano ka, ba't di ka naano?
Right, guys?
Agree. Agree.
Agriculture.
Right? Like, wiser words cannot be said by anybody.
Exactly.
Right? Ikaw lang nakaisip nun.
Wala na eh. Ako lang to. Wala nang iba yan. Kaya nga dapat sa akin yung kangkong chips eh. Kinuha niya lang yun sa akin.
Idea mo yun eh.
That was mine.
Ano masasabi mo sa kanya sa inventor ng pangpong?
Girl, you choted.
Lalaki.
Lalaki pala siya. Siya ba yung nagsasabi lagi ng ano? Ang tamad-tamad mo.
Oo.
Ito, reaction video. Ang tamad-tamad
Insert
ko.
clip.
Masipag kami. Di kami tamad. Di kami kagaya mo.
True.
Agree.
Right?
Agriculture.
Paano mag-agree? Paano mag-agree?
Nag-a-agree po ako that time. Hindi ko naman po alam na bibigyan po nila ng mali siya yung ginagawa ko.
Ganun lang.
Sis naman eh. Pinagloloko mo kami. Ito reaction video ng lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid natin. Tapos na tayo dun sa mga nauna. Then yung nag-agree daw. Nag-agree din ako. Ganyan ako mag-agree eh. Ganun yung pag-agree. And dapat naka-on cam talaga. You're right, girl.
Hindi kami basher nung girl na nag-agree.
Hindi. Kasi ginagawa namin yan. Nag-agree kami every day.
Ano gets it? Totoo din.
No.
Of course.
Anong ending mo? Like and subscribe.
Wala kung gano'n. Kung magsusubscribe kayo, bahala ka sa buhay niyo. Kung hindi, diwag.
Ending fairy.
Kung gano'n na siya kasi sinabi niya. Revelation.
Bye-bye!